Am I the only one that didn't know you could make serious cash from gaming? First up, find your niche. Love fast-paced shooters? Or maybe chill farming sims? Pick what you love, and people will love it too. Next, consistency is key. Stream regularly so your fans know when to find you. Think of it like your favorite TV show. You wouldn't miss an episode. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask questions, and shout out your viewers. People love feeling part of the action. Now, let's talk cash. Donations, subscriptions, and ad revenue are your best friends. You can even partner with brands for sponsored content. Cha-ching! Finally, don't forget to have fun. If you're having a blast, your viewers will too. So gear up, hit that Go Live button, and start your journey to streaming success. Game on!